In lecture number first, we already studied that first conversion method. In first conversion method is nothing but decimal to octal, decimal to binary and decimal to hexadecimal method. In second lecture, these are some outlines of second lecture. First, binary to decimal conversion is nothing but binary to decimal. In second point is the binary to octal and third point binary to hexadecimal. In second lecture, we will study conversion method from binary to decimal, binary to octal and binary to hexadecimal. First one, conversion method is the binary to decimal number system. These are some steps followed by conversion of binary to decimal number system. The first step is note the given number. Second step, write weights of corresponding different position. Multiply each digit with its base 2 because binary having a base 2. Add all the products, then we get decimal equivalent. For example, convert this number is the 1011.01. This number is the binary number. This number converted into decimal number. How it is converted into decimal number? See here, this number, this is the given number. This given number is right here 1011. This is the decimal point. So write here decimal point. And after the decimal point, there is also two numbers 0, 1. So this is the decimal point. In the decimal point, first having a corresponding weights. This having a corresponding weight 2 raised to 0. This is having a corresponding weight 2 raised to 1. This is having a corresponding weight 2 raised to 2 and this having a corresponding weight 2 raised to 3. This is the minus part. So here write here 2 raised to minus 1 and 2 raised to minus 2. Now this number is the multiply with is base digit 2. So multiply 1 into 2 raised to 0. This is multiply with 1 into 10 raised to 1. This is the 0 into 2 raised to 2. And this one is the 1 into 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3 is nothing but 8. 8 multiply with 1. So answer is 8. 0 multiply with any term. Answer is 0. 2 raised to 1 is nothing but 2 and 2 multiply with 1, answer is 2. 2 raised to 0 is the 1 and 1 multiply with 1, answer is 1. Point 0 multiply by any term, answer is 0 and 1 multiply 2 raised to minus 2 having a answer 0.2 raised to 5. So total answer is 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11.25. Now see here, this is the generalized method. Now note the given binary number. This is the given binary number. Given binary number is 111010.11 and this number is converted into decimal. How it is converted into decimal? See here, This is the given number. So having a base 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4. So write here 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4. This number is here. This number is here. Like this, 2 raised to 0 into 2 raised to 0, 1 into 2 raised to 1, this 0 multiply with 2 raised to 2, this 1 multiply with 2 raised to 3, and this is the 1 multiply with 2 raised to 4. Now 2 raised to 4 is nothing but 16 plus 2 raised to 3 is nothing but 8 plus this term is 0. Now this is the 2 raised to 1. So 2 plus 0. So total answer is here 26. Now this is the fraction point. These are the fraction point. Here the decimal point. 2 raised to minus 1 is nothing but 0.5, and 1 into 2 raised to minus 2 is nothing but 0.25. So total answer is 0.75. This is the total answer of this equation. Now second method is the binary to octal conversion method. These are some steps followed to conversion of binary to octal conversion. First step, divide the given number into groups of 3 bits. Why groups of 3 bits? Because in octal number system, decimal number is represented by using the 3 bits. For example, 0 is represented by 0, 0, 0. 1 represented by 0, 0 represented by 0, 0, 0, 1 represented by 0, 0, 1, 2 represented by 0, 1, 0. Zero, 1, 0. 3 represented by 0, 0, 1, 1, and like this. So divide the given binary number into groups of 3 bits from LSB. Convert each group into its equivalent decimal. Again I am repeat, convert each group into its equivalent decimal and convert the binary numbers These are the examples. Convert the binary number 11010010. This is the given binary number converted into octal number. So here the first step is the makes the group of 3 bits from LSB. So this is the given number, makes a group is in this fashion. So the first group is the 0 1 0. So write here 0 1 0. Second group is the 0 1 0. So write here 0 1 0. And third group is the 1 1 0. Sorry, third group is the, this one is the third group, 1 1 0. So 0 1 1. 0 1 1 is nothing but 3. 0 1 0 is nothing but 2, and 0 1 0 is nothing but 2. So group of given number is the 3 2 2. Again I am use second example for understanding. Conversion from binary to octal can be done by positioning the binary number into groups of 3 digits each, starting from the binary point and proceeding to the left and to the right. Proceeding from left to the right. This is the given number. This is the given binary number. This number 0 1 1 is nothing but 3. 1 0 1 is nothing but 5. 0 1 1 is nothing but 1. 1 1 0 is nothing but 6. And this is the 2. This is the after the fraction 111710040000 110 is the 6. So given number is 26153. This is the given number 26153 and 7406. Understand it, in binary to octal conversion, final answer is lies in between 0 to 7 only. After the 7, answer is wrong. Next conversion method is the binary to hex number system. In binary to hex number system, divide the binary number into 4 groups from LSB to MSB. Convert each 4 bit into its hexadecimal equivalent. In hexadecimal number system, there are 15 numbers are present, 0 to 15. So there is a making a group of 4 bits. This is the given number. This given number is converted into hex number. This given number is divided into 4 bits. First bit is the 1011. This is the first bit. First group 1011. Second group is the, this one is the second group. Which one? 1111. And third group is the 1010. This is the third group. 1011 is nothing but B. 1111 is nothing but F. And 1010 is nothing but A. So total answer is the A, F, V. This is the given number. Now again, second example is the conversion from binary to hexadecimal is similar, except that the binary number is divided into groups of 4 bits. This is the 4 bits. First bit is the 1011. 1011 is nothing but B. 0110 is nothing but 6. 1100 is the C. And 0011 is nothing but 2. And this is the F, and this one is the 2. So final answer is 2C6B. Point F2. This is the final answer. Now see some example. This is the given number 111. This is the given number. This given number is the binary format. This binary number is converted into decimal number. How it is converted into decimal number? Given number is this is the given number. See here, this is the given number 111.10. This is the given number. Having a bit is 2 raised to 0. This having a bit is 2 raised to 1. And this having a bit is 2 raised to 2. This is the decimal point, and this one is the 2 raised to minus 1, and this is the 2 raised to minus 2. Now this 1 multiplied with 2 raised to 2 plus this 1 multiplied with 2 raised to 1 again plus this 1 multiplied with 2 raised to 0 point this 1 multiplied with 2 raised to minus 1 and again 0 multiplied with 2 raised to minus 2. This is the equivalent is equal to sign. 2 raised to 2 is nothing but 4. 4 multiplied with 1, answer is 4 plus 2 raised to 1 is nothing but 2. 2 multiplied with 2 plus 2 raised to 0 is nothing but your 1 multiplied with 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 is the 0.5 and here answer is 5 plus here answer is 0 because 0 multiplied by any term, answer is any term is equal to 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7.05. So answer is 7.5. This is the final answer of given binary digit converted into decimal. This table is used for your understand. This is the important table. This table is used for different types of conversion to find out your answers. This is the decimal numbers. There are how many decimal numbers are used? 0 to 9 decimal numbers are used. Zero to 9 is nothing but your total 10. Binary numbers are this 0 number is converted into binary 000. 1 is right into binary is the 0001. 2 is right into binary 0 0 1 0. 3 is right here 0 0 1 0. 4 is right 0 1 0 0. 5 0 1 0 1. 6 is nothing but 0 1 1 0. 7 is nothing but 0 1 1 1. 8 is nothing but 1 0 0. 9 is nothing but 1 0 1 1 and so on. This is the hexadecimal numbers. These are the hexadecimal numbers 0 to F, and this is the octal numbers are used for your conversion method. In decimal number, in octal number, 0 numbers are represented zero, zero, zero. 1 represented is 0, 0, 1. 2 represented 0, 0, 1. 2 represented 0, 0, 1, 0. Why it is represented 0, 1, 0? Because in octal number systems only 7 numbers are used and last number is the 1, 1, 1. So only 3 bits are required for the representation, not 4 bits are required, because in this 4th bit there is only 0, 0, 0. So I discard 0 and only write here from 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 up to the 1, 1, 1.